Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I make this little daisy or little flower design. I've already started the bracelet, and as you can see I've tied a knot at the top and I've twisted the ends and I've begun the bracelet. This bracelet is super simple to make. You need 8 total strings. You're going to need 3 different colors, and I'm just going to show you the layout here. So we have an odd number of greens. So that's why I had to do the twisted end here. I couldn't do the loop at the top. So we have 2 greens, 1 pink, 1 yellow, another green, pink, and 2 greens. And you want to lay them out in this way. I will leave the exact measurements for the strings because they vary depending on the color. So I'm going to leave those down in the description box for you guys, and we can get started on the bracelet. So the first thing you want to do is tie a forward knot from the first string to the second string. And then with this 3rd and 4th string, we're going to do a forward backward knot. And then with strings 5 and 6, we're going to do a backward forward knot with the pink to the green. And then with the last 2 strings here, the 2 greens, I'm going to do a backward knot from the 8th to the 7th string. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put the outermost strings aside, and we're not going to work with those. We're going to just focus on the 6 below, and we're going to do a forward backward knot on the 2nd to the 3rd string. So from the green to the pink. And then with the 2 center strings here in the middle, we're going to do a forward knot from the yellow to the green. And then with the last 2 here, we're going to do a backward forward knot from the green to the pink. So there's actually only 2 rows to this bracelet, to this pattern, and so technically we've completed both rows, and you just repeat from the beginning. So basically bring down the strings and you continue as we did in the beginning of the video, but it doesn't, the first 2 rows don't complete the flower. So I'm just going to do it again to show you guys so that we can complete the flower. Okay, so again, with the first 2, we're going to do a forward knot from the first string to the 2nd string. And then with the 3rd and 4th string, we're going to do a forward backward knot. With strings 5 and 6, I'm going to do a backward forward knot from the pink to the yellow. And then with the last 2 here, I'm going to make a backward knot from the 8th to the 7th string. Now for the second row, we're going to remove the outermost strings, and we're going to focus on the 6 below. And with the first 2 here, I'm going to do a forward backward knot from the green to the pink. And then with the 2 in the center, I'm going to do a forward knot from the green to the yellow. And then with the other 2 here, I'm going to do a backward forward knot from the green to the pink. And that is the entire pattern, guys. It's a very, very simple bracelet to make, and it results in a very dainty looking flower. You guys can definitely switch up the colors. I chose to do pink, yellow, and green, but you can definitely pick other colors. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you have any other questions or any other tutorials you guys would like to see, please leave them down in the comment section below. See you guys. Bye-bye.